If your computer only has a single C drive and you want to create a new partition without losing your data, this video is for you. I'll show you exactly how to create a new drive using Windows built-in tools, so there's no need to download or install any third-party software. This method works on both Windows 11 and Windows 10, and the entire process takes just a few minutes. Before we begin, it's a good idea to make sure your C drive has enough free space. Now let's open the tool we'll be using. Right-click the Start button and select Disk Management. You can also press Windows plus X on your keyboard and choose Disk Management from the menu. Windows will take a few seconds to load all of your connected drives and partitions. Once it finishes loading, you'll see a graphical view of your disks along with the partitions they currently contain. To create a new drive, right-click the C drive and choose Shrink Volume. Windows will calculate how much space can safely be reduced, which may take a few moments depending on your drive. After the calculation is complete, you'll see a window asking how much space you want to shrink. One thing that often confuses people is that the value is displayed in megabytes instead of gigabytes. Enter how much GB you want to shrink and then add 30 to convert them into megabytes. Then click Shrink. Windows will reduce the size of the C drive and create a new section called Unallocated Space. Right-click the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. Keep clicking Next until finish, then click Finish. Your new drive will be created in few seconds. After the process is complete, open File Explorer and click on this PC. You'll see your newly created drive listed alongside your other drives, ready to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel,